predictions I have is that it's just gonna explode after I put the citric acid and calcium chloride in. My dad
In the Coke, in the Pepsi?
Yes, my dad said he's just gonna do this so I'll will know what materials I have. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what materials I have. I have this almost half bottle of Pepsi, and I have 10 grams of citric acid and 10 grams of calcium chloride, a funnel and a chopsticks, because like when I started looking at this, some calcium chloride and citric acid sort of form into these small, big pieces. So I think it wouldn't fit through the funnel, so I used a chopstick to poke it through. Yeah, that's what I already said. That's what I already said in the beginning, like my predictions. Why? I don't like the sound.
It's okay. We'll be good.
I don't like it. It sounds
Okay.
bad.
Citric acid and calcium chloride are sticking together, so I'm afraid that they might not go through this hole. So I'm going to crush it so it's small enough to go through the hole and into the bottle. Okay, now my predictions are that after I put it in, it's just going to burst up. So let's see what happens.
Here is one error. Like before I started, my dad asked me, will it explode more? Like, will it burst out? I said it might. So, like you might have seen there was this yellow paper. It was like he wrote down the plans of what I was about to say, but I didn't even look at it. So I just put it away and stuff. I was about to pour it when I realized that I forgot to crush it into pieces. This was one error that I had.
Pouring time. Deciding it's Okay, now we're going to pour it. Ready, set, go.
This was my second error, because now I think why this thing didn't go through, because I put it so fast that I didn't give it time to go through the hole. Maybe I should have poured slowly, so it can go through. Like this, I just pour like 1, 2, 3, go, and then it just got stuck there. So it just couldn't go through. So I was just stuck there. So now the chopsticks. It didn't go out. I'm so sad.
I see that there are some still calcium chloride particles.
Like after on the bubbles there, I saw like there's these calcium chloride parts and it didn't dissolve. I was wondering why it didn't dissolve. It should have dissolved already. No, I can't shake because in the beginning when I wrote my procedure, Miss Gabbard said don't shake because it might fly to somebody.
You don't want to poke your eye out.
Still the Coca-Cola that didn't dissolve yet. But this time I didn't, my prediction wasn't that right because it didn't explode, but not at least it went right over here. That's pretty impressive.
shake the bottle and then I open it. It just looks like that. Top.
Why did you use half?
Because my mom thought it's gonna burst out really fast, and she doesn't want me to get all wet and stuff. So she said pour out some parts. So I just poured it here.
You drank all of the other half.
Huh?
Then.
Yeah, I think so.
Miss Garber?
So scientifically, what happened when you added the calcium chloride and the citric
There
acid
was
to
a
this?
chemical reaction.
All right.
That gas came, gas came up. I could feel it, and like the bubble rise up.
So you would say that there was a product that was gas.